he suppressed and demanded the unbanning of political organizations in exile and the release of political prisoners. We never knew about these names, Mandela and all of them. It was Prince Mangosuthu Buthelezi who raised the flag of the liberation struggle with the three colors and become the voice of the voiceless that were suppressed. So today we are saying, let's bounce to the future. Looking at these two important occasions to the IFP, the future looks bright. We are ready for the local government elections. We have demonstrated in December. We won a ward in Mkolozi. In January, the first ward in KwaZulu-Natal by-election was taken by the IFP. In February, we did the same against all speculation that we will not do well at Mzumbe, and again followed by Nongoma, and a major victory was just 2 weeks ago when we won 3 wards in a by-election in Zululand. We are ready. Very soon the date will be announced, as we know that people must go to the registration on 20 and 21 June knowing where will I vote on an election day. So now I've done the consultation, speaking as a minister for COGTA, with all key stakeholders, with the president, and it's just a matter of time that we make the people of South Africa know long in advance as to when are they going to cast their vote. The local government elections that is upcoming is critical. It's going to be the opening of a new chapter in the local government space, taking into account the review of the white paper, because the review carries a number of changes that will fix the broken municipal local governments in our country and also ensure that we create stability as the IFP. We are here in Mpumalanga, but we will be calling the people of South Africa throughout the 9 provinces that it is time for the IFP. We are turning 51 years. Yesterday, we turned 51 years yesterday. We are taking the party beyond 50 years to the next centenary celebration. And the IFP is a future, is a home of the people of South Africa. And people of South Africa can trust us, because when we make a promise, we keep the promise. And when we have a challenge, we come back and do accountability. We are here in Mpumalanga, and we will be receiving our comrades from Gauteng, here in Mpumalanga, and some in KwaZulu-Natal. But above all, when I conclude my address, I will be welcoming new members coming from the ANC, well-known people who had served as councillors in the organization of the ANC, because being in the GNU doesn't make IFP to be one thing and ANC. We are 2 different organizations. We compete on the local space, but we work together for the benefit of South Africa, because people of South Africa said, you work together, fix our country. We are tired of a one-party rule, a majoritarian principle, which makes sometimes blind decisions. In the GNU, we are working together, but we are competing healthy with our partners in the GNU. That is why we're competing with them in all the 4 by-elections in KwaZulu-Natal, and the IFP emerged as a victor.